Lieutenant said there's a head crab!
Watch out, don't let that go, Brian. Ooh, he's gonna let go of that pole. Oh, Pepper's out there.
Look into their door.
Oh, yeah.
Mama!
We're gonna miss it.